Good evening to each and everyone. Hope you all are doing great. As you know that I am Rahul. I am yoga coach at Fitzo. As you know that how world is suffering from COVID-19. So in this case, you need to just improve your boost through yoga asana. So today I am going to teach you how to improve your immunity system through yoga asana. So let's start without wasting any time. First, you have just sit here. You have to just cross your leg. Any asana, any comfort posture you can sit like Padmasana or Sukhasana. So Sukhasana is just you have to cross your leg, and if you want another, so you can sit in Padmasana. So bring your right feet on top of your left thigh and left feet on top of your right thigh. Okay, so you have just sit spine straight, hands in Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra, spine straight, and close your eyes. Just deep inhale, deep exhale, deep inhale, deep exhale. Just focus on your breath when you are inhaling, how your stomach is going outside, and when you are exhaling, how your stomach going inside. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Now slowly open your eyes and relax your posture. Now straight your both legs in Dandasana, palm besides your thigh, toes towards you, straight your knees and spine straight. Don't collapse your shoulder, relax your neck. Yes, now deep inhale and exhale. Breathe will be normal. Now move your toes with inhale up and exhale down. Now inhale up only toes. Yes, and exhale down. Inhale up, 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 exhale down. Now move your ankle with exhale down and inhale up. Spine will be straight. Exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up. Now relax. Now rotate your ankle. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now relax your posture. Take a breath. Now come to the butterfly pose. Spine will be remain same, straight. Open your feet like a book if possible. Now bring your knees up and down as much as possible. You can push your knees down. Spine will straight, shoulder relax. Now relax again. Now again sit in any comfortable posture as you are comfort in any posture. Now inhale, raise your hands up and exhale. Bring your right forearm towards your right side. Left hand over your head. Look at your palm. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now inhale, come up. Now exhale, change your side, left forearm down, right hand over your head. Look at your palm. Now inhale, up, exhale, release. Now inhale again, raise your hands up, forward. You can place forward your both hands. Yes. Now fingertip on your shoulder. Now join your elbow in front of your forehead. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now rotate. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now hold here for a couple of seconds. Push towards the back. Now relax again. Now move your neck with inhale and exhale, up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now center. Now tilt your neck towards left side. Center. Now change. Now change. Now change. Now relax again. Now rotate your neck clockwise and anti-clockwise. Breathe with normal. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now anti-clockwise. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now relax. Now come to the cat and cow pose, also known as a Marjorie Asana. Your palm, your shoulders should in one line, your knees and your hips should in one line. Okay, so with inhale you have to arch your spine. Inhale, look up. Now with exhale, curve your spine. Now with inhale, look up. With exhale, arch your spine. Inhale, look up. Now exhale, arch your spine. Now release, relax your asana again. Now inhale, lift your right arm up and right arm up and left leg up. Opposite hand and opposite leg up. And look up. Now exhale down. Now change. Find your balance. Now down. Now change. Down. Change. Down. Now relax again. Relax your posture. Now again lift your opposite hand, opposite leg up. Now with catch your left ankle with your right hand and inhale up. Try to arch your spine as much as possible. Now exhale, relax. Now change your leg. Lift your right leg and left hand up, opposite hand, opposite leg. Now catch with your left hand, grab your ankle, inhale, lift up, arch your spine as much as possible. Now exhale, relax. Now press your palm, lift your knees, bring your hips up. Feet together in Parvatasana. Hold here for a couple of breaths. Straight your knees. Try to straight your knees. Try to bring your heels down. Press your palm, shift the weight towards your leg and hold here for a couple of seconds. Feel the stretch on your legs. Your spine should be straight, hips lifted up. Now slowly bring your leg forward. Hold here for a couple of seconds again. Now hands on your waist and inhale, come up. Now again feet apart, palm forward and take a deep breath. With deep inhale, deep exhale. Take relax your whole body. Okay, now open your eyes. Now we will practice Tadasana with the breath. How to practice Tadasana I will teach you. First of all, you have to stand like this, feet together. Yes, feet together. Straight your knees, tailbone tuck in, belly in, open your chest, relax your shoulder back and down, and relax your neck. Okay, now interlock your finger like this. Yes, push towards the forward, and with inhale you have to lift your heels up and your hands as well as up. With inhale you have to go slowly up. Inhale, hold here for a couple of seconds. Now with exhale you have to go slowly down. Now one more time, you have to go up. Your hands and your heels will go up same time. With inhale, again inhale, lift your heels as well as hands up. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now with exhale, slowly go down. Now one more add. We will practice Triyaktadasana. Again we will go same, but this time we will bend towards your left, towards the right side. Okay. So again, interlock your finger, push towards the forward, feet together. Now inhale, lift up, lift your heels, lift your hands up. Yes. Now with exhale, bend towards your left side. Look towards the up, look towards the ceiling. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now inhale, center. Now change your side. Heels will remain same, up. Exhale, bend towards your right side. Look towards the ceiling. Now inhale, center, and exhale. Slowly go down. Again, feet apart, palms towards the forward. Close your eyes. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Take a deep breath, relax your body. Now we will practice Utkatasana. So how to practice Utkatasana I will teach. Feet apart little bit, hands forward. Now with exhale go down, bend your knees. Yes. Same time you have to push your hips back. Yes. Go down, go back, go down, go back. Yes, hold here for a couple of seconds. Hold. Now inhale, come up again. Your weight should not on your knees, okay? Your weight should on your hips. So how to practice? If you have to shift your weight towards the hips, you have to go back like this. If you are going feet together again, so then after that you have feet apart, hands forward. Now you have to go down and back, okay? How? Look, this exhale, go down, go back, go down, go back. Your weight should on your hips, not on your knees, okay? Go down, go back. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now inhale and exhale, release. Now again we will practice Parivirta Utkatasana. So first we will go same like a Utkatasana. Feet apart little bit. Inhale, hands forward. Exhale, go down, bend your knees, go back, bend your knees, go back, bend your knees, go back. Now exhale, bring your left elbow outside of your right knee like this without disturbing your knees, okay? Your knees should not one forward and one back, okay? Your knees should be distanced equally and join your palm, look up. Now change, bring your right elbow outside of your left knee and join your palm, look up, but don't disturb your both knees, okay? Now relax, come to the relax posture. Again, feet apart, palm facing front side. Close your eyes. Deep inhale. Deep exhale. Relax your whole body. Okay, now open your eyes slowly and come to the forward again. Now we will practice a Trikonasana. How to go in Trikonasana with a breath I will teach. First of all, you have to feet together. Yes, feet together, straight your knees, hands beside your thigh, hands straight, tailbone in. Your tailbone should not out, your tailbone should in, belly in, straight your spine, relax your shoulder back and down, relax your neck. Now hands on your waist, exhale. Now inhale, bring your right leg back, 3 feet apart, right leg at 90 degree. How you will measure the 3 feet? Your left heel, if your left heel here, how you will measure 3 feet? Right, take a for example, you have to measure right leg here, right heel in front of your left heel. Yes. Now measure 3 feet, 1 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, sorry, and 3 feet. Okay. So here is your 3 feet. Now raise your hands up. With inhale, lengthen your spine, and with exhale, bend towards your left side. You can also grab your shin bone. If not possible to grab the big toe, so you can also grab your ankle or okay. So how to go? Right foot at 90 degree, right foot should be 90 degree, left foot slightly in. Here is inhale and lengthen your spine, bend from your right hip. Inhale and exhale, bend towards your right side. Grab your ankle, grab your toes as much as your need, as well as your capacity. Left hand up, look at your thumb, hold here for a couple of seconds. If possible, you can grab your toes also, big toe. If possible, if not possible, you can grab your ankle and hands up, left hand up, and look at your left thumb. Now inhale, come up. Now change your side, right feet in and left feet at 90 degree. Now inhale, hands up. Now lengthen your spine, bend from your left hip joint. Inhale and exhale, bend towards your left leg. Right hand up, you can grab your toes, you can grab your ankle. Right hand up, look at your right thumb. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now inhale, come up. Now from here we practice Parivrita Trikonasana. Again right feet at 90 degree, left hip slightly in. Open your hands. Now turn around like this and exhale. Bring your left palm outside of your right feet and right hand up. Look at your thumb. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Now inhale. Now change your side. Again right foot inside. Left feet at 90 degree. Turn around. Now exhale. Bring your right palm outside of your left feet. Left hand up. Look at your thumb. Hold here for a couple of seconds. Hold. Take a breath normal. Now inhale. Again come up. And exhale. Relax your posture. Open your feet. Palm pushing forward. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. So now we will practice Now we will practice one round of Surya Namaskar with a breath, with a perfect breath. How you will practice it, really it's helpful to boost our immunity system. So we will practice together. So let's start. Feet together. Yes, feet together. Join your palm in front of your chest. Now here is exhale. Now inhale. Raise your arms up and exhale. Now inhale and exhale. Bend forward in Padastasana. Now right leg back in Aswasanchalan. Look up, arch your spine. Now left leg back in Parvatasana. Now inhale, come in plank and exhale, go down, knee, chest, chin together down in Ashtanga Namaskar. Now flat your toes, inhale, come in Bhujangasana. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, Parvatasana, straight your knees. Now bring your right leg forward, left knee down, Aswasanchalan, look up, arch your spine. Now exhale, left leg forward in Padastasana. Now inhale, raise your arms up and exhale, go back in Hastottanasana. Now inhale and exhale, release. Now one more round. Exhale. Here is Namaskar Mudra. Inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, go back in Hastottanasana. Inhale, exhale, bend forward in Padastasana. Now inhale, right leg back in Aswasanchalan, arch your spine. Now leg back, mountain pose, feet together. Now inhale and exhale, go down, knee, chest, chin together. Now inhale, flat your toes, come in Bhujangasana, lift your chest, roll your shoulder back and down. Now tuck your toes, lift your hips up, feet together. Now inhale, right leg forward again, back knee down, Aswasanchalan. Now left leg forward in Padastasana. Now inhale, raise your arms up, exhale, go back in Hastottanasana. Now inhale and exhale, Pranam Mudra. Now release, open your feet, again relax, take a deep breath. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Now sit. Now lay down in Savasana. Lay down with your back, heels facing each other, palm facing upside. Close your eyes. Relax your whole body. Relax your knees, relax your whole body. Close your eyes. Now bend your both knees Eyes will still close. Now turn towards your right side. Relax. Now come to this sitting posture slowly. Eyes should close. Join your palm in front of your chest. Now deep inhale. Deep exhale. Relax your body. Focus on your breath. Now one time Om chanting with deep inhale. Deep inhale. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now slowly and gently rub your palm in front of your chest. Touch your eyes, touch your face, touch your whole body. Pranam your asana. Thanks for joining us.